Hi, I'm Tammy from Love Notions, and I'm going to show you how to enclose all the seams with a yoke on the Rhapsody blouse. At this stage, you should have sewn the pleat on your back piece. It's an inverted pleat. You have sewn it, you've aligned your right sides together and sewn with a basting stitch about an inch or so down. Open up the back. So there you have your pleat. You're gonna press it flat. If you want, you can run a basting stitch across there to keep it in place, or just pin it, or just press it really well so you don't have to worry about it moving. So with our back piece right side up, actually let me show you. I have the yoke pieces here and I've done them in different fabrics so you can tell which is which. This red one is going to be our main yoke, and the black one will be the yoke lining. So we have the back piece right sides up. We're going to take our main yoke, find the center of the back, mark that, and align that right sides together to your back piece and pin it in place. Match the center to the pleat. Just pin that in place. Now we're going to flip our back piece so the wrong side is facing up. And take our lining yoke and mark the center of it, and match up the right side of the yoke to the wrong side of the back. Match that center middle to the pleat we made, and pin the sides. So we've sandwiched the back piece in between the yokes. On the back, for the lining, we have the right side of the lining facing the wrong side of the back. And then when we flip it over, we have the right side of the main yoke facing the right side of the back. Now you're just going to do a straight stitch using a 3/8 seam allowance across this top.